Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of slow file copy speed in Windows 10 and 11. So if you are facing slow file transfer speed problem, so we will fix it today. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just type CMD in your search bar and then you have to just click on run as administrator, then press yes, and at here you have to just copy this command and then paste in command prompt. So you have to just paste this command here and then press enter. So what this command basically do, it will disable the auto tuning and fix your file speed issue. So by doing this, your issue will be solved. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just change this auto tuning level to normal, and then you have to again copy this command and then paste it in command prompt. So by pasting this command, you have to just press enter, so it will basically auto tuning level turn to normal. So after closing this window, so you have to just move to the second step, which is basically services. So you have to just type services, and then in services you have to just find optimized drives. So you have to scroll down and go to the O section to find optimized drive. So as you can see here, it is optimized drive. So you have to just double click on it, and at here you have to just change the startup type automatic. As you can see, by default its startup type is manual, so you have to just change it to automatic, and then you have to start this service. Service status is stopped, so you have to just click on start, then you have to click on apply and then okay. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to the third step, which is basically turn windows features. So you have to just type turn windows features on and off. So you have to just click on control panel, and at here you have to just basically locate remote differential compression. So you have to scroll down and find out this option. As you can see, remote differential compression API support. So you have to just uncheck this option. It is basically checked by default, so you have to just uncheck this, and then your issue will be fixed. So if it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to the one last step, which is basically fast copy. So you have to just go to the Google, and then you have to just type fast copy and press enter, and you have to open this link fastcopy.jp, and then you have to download it from here. Basically it's a free software, and this let you file transfer very fast. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.